Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, rear park sensing with the tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a tailgate step with this vehicle as well, a nice gripped running board, side view camera, turn light and spotlight indicated with blind spot detection, and moving to the front we get license plate bracket, will be right there, block heater, front park sensing, recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, flat fold storage system, cup holders and storage. We have rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course you can lift up your seat for a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a powered driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, that B&O Sound System, auto stop assert, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 4.8 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select that is collapsible. You get a wireless charger pad, outlets, tons of storage, cup holders. Get an interior work surface that you can put your laptop on, your food, totally up to you. And you do get your normal storage in your center console. We do have your drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist. Got your heated front seats, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage on the dash, a nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. We got our park sensing right here that you can turn on or off, hazards, traction, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle where you can go through different camera angles. Continue our look here, we do have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF09051, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.